Okay, so to open Scratchpad in Firefox by using the menu system or by using menus, you first you have to open Firefox. Okay, so we have a Firefox here open, the web browser. Then you want to move your mouse over to what Mozilla calls the hamburger symbol, or the three lines lying on its side over here. You click on this icon, and then you get this menu, lots of stuff. And then what you want to do is you want to go down here where it says web developer. I'm trying to get the camera to focus on it. Where it says web developer, and then you click on that. And then we get another menu, and then we go up to Scratchpad. And then we click on this right here, Scratchpad. And then we get the Scratchpad, JavaScript Scratchpad that comes with Mozilla Firefox, which is the JavaScript, the JavaScript mini editor that I will be using to teach you JavaScript. Okay, thank you very much.